Let's go. Let me take it easy, because these darn Ninja Turtles. I kind of, I gave it some positive, about maybe 1 degree, if that, because, and I'm back to running the 4014 3-blade. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna come back and check the temps. It wants to fly out of the water. Whoa, that thing went airborne for a second. I have a heavier pack in the front. It's a 5200 China Hobby line. And I have it all the way forward. Try to keep the nose down. Got the green machine. A lot of bass in here. Ooh. This will be the time to be fishing, for sure. Scare the turtles off real quick, because I am not gonna do what I did with my blue one. Oh. Wow. The green is always good. She behaves so good all the time. This has got a 4074, 2070 kV, I want to say. Yeah. All 4-cell, all my boats. It's such a good motor. It's a little big for the boat, but it runs good. I'm not in for competition, guys. I'm not in here trying to race. I mean, it's nice and all, but I'm just having fun. I love tunnel hulls. I love the way they run, the way they look. You know? I'm just having a blast, that's all. Alright guys, we're gonna run the orange, this time with a China Hobby Line 5290C. It's supposed to be like a really good battery, so. It's a bit heavier in the front. We'll go easy. Wow. I'm afraid I might hit a freaking turtle out there. That was full trigger. Whoa. Runs good. What? Despite being a little heavier in the front, the nose raises high. All right, the yellow now is running the China Hobby line 5200 90C. Oh, let's check it out. Please, turtle, don't ruin it for me.
At first, I thought I had struck a turtle, but after thinking about it, I realized it seemed unlikely that I would hit a turtle twice in the same exact spot. That led me to conclude it probably wasn't a turtle at all. More likely, I hit a submerged object, something like a branch or debris. I haven't gone back to confirm yet, but I'll check the area on my next outing.
And I hit a freaking turtle. I think I hit a turtle, guys. That was a loud sound. And in the same spot where my blue one hit. Gosh, I hope my transom's okay, man. This is a fresh build. Freak. Let's check it out. This is getting ridiculous with these turtles, man. And it's not their fault, you know? Oh, God. How crazy. Let's check it out. So far, yeah, transom damage right here. Ah. Yep. So here's what I'm left with. My servo, my makeshift servo holder mount is kaput. Well, it's not kaput, it just came out of place. So just got to do some gluing here. Settings are way off, you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're just running into turtles here, man. I hope the turtle's okay, because these things, look at this, man. This is like a knife, man. It's like, I mean, it won't cut you, but at the speed it'll cause damage to that poor animal. I could fix this. He can't fix his life.